And you know what you missed?
What?
Clay just rolled that thing. We just righted it up, so because he was trying to go up the face. So coming up, we're going to try to go up the face of that here at the Miller Motorsports Park. It's their rock crawling wall. But right now I'm here with Andrew of Paraquad, and you guys outfitted Clay's rig so he could do that. But what are you guys all about? What is this van here?
We do everything. This is a modification we've done for the state for their E-valve. So if you don't know what you need or what you want, you come, talk to Ken, call up Paraquad, we'll get you in touch. We'll show you all this equipment. We've lowered the floor 6 inches. We raise roofs. If you want a 50-inch screen TV, we'll put that in there, you name it.
Now, let me ask you this. What are the prices starting at to outfit a car?
Well, you know, anywhere from $175 for left foot accelerator, sky's the limit. You know, you name it, we can do it.
All right, so if you want more information about Paraquad and what they might be able to do for you, check out our website, KUTV.com. We'll link you on over there. Coming up, me and Clay, rock crawl in the face here at the Miller Motorsports Park. We'll see you guys in a bit.
So how far did he roll it?
He rolled it all the way over. It took 9 of us to flip it up.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
Huh. Is that a little freaky?
Yeah, it was a lot freaky.
Were you glad you weren't in it?
Yes, I was, but he says we're going to do it. Hey, Clay, do you got a blanket on? You all right, sweetie?
Right here, buddy.
You okay? You ready to do this?
Mama's taking care of me.
All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. Coming up more from the Miller
Crazy.
Motorsports Park.
All right, Casey.
So it could be